Hi, my name is Isabel, and today I'll be talking about relationship theories and how they can be applied to family relationships. And in this case, I'll be focusing on the relationship between me and my little sister. The main two relationship theories that I will be talking about today are the family systems theory and the relationship dialectics theory. Now, to start off, we have the family systems theory, and Judy Hafner states in her article, An Application of Bowman Family Systems, that there are 8 different factors within this theory that explain the nature of some family relationships. And they include the differentiation of self, emotional cutoff, family projection system, multi-generational transmission, nuclear family emotional system, sibling position, societal emotional process, and triangles. And for this case in particular, I thought that the factor that was most applicable to the relationship between me and my sister was the sibling position theory. And Judy Hafner also mentions this theory in her article, and she states that this is based on the idea that the older sibling is independent and is more of the influencer, while the younger sibling is dependent and is heavily influenced by the older sibling's thoughts, opinions, and actions. And looking back on me and my sister's relationship, even to this day, but especially during our younger years, whether it be choosing for her favorite color to be the same as mine or trying to match outfits with me every single day, she would always try to find some sort of way to follow my example. And continuing on to the next relationship theory, which is the relationship dialectics theory. Leslie Baxter states in her interview with the organization A First Look at Communication Theory that this is based on the idea that every relationship is founded on the interplay of differences. Now, there are several different branches to this theory, but I found that the one most relevant to me and my sister was the similarity difference theory. And Leslie Baxter also mentions this in her interview, and she states that this theory is founded on the idea that you bond over your similarities, yet you acknowledge and appreciate each other's differences. And in the earlier stages of me and my sister's relationship, we had little to no differences. And according to Cindy Lamoth in her article, 5 Stages of Most Relationships, it's very easy to lose your sense of self in such a close, tight-knit relationship. However, over the years, we began to notice we had a lot more differences, especially in personality and preferences. And I think that this theory shows that we can have differences. We can be our own individuals, yet maintain that close-knit bond. And to conclude, there are all sorts of families out there. There are some families who have a lot of conflict and tension within them, while on the other hand, you may have families who are very conflict-free and have a very easygoing environment. And the specific branches of the theories that I have mentioned here may not be applicable to every family. However, it may explain some of the family relationships out there and explain why their family relationship has developed and been maintained the way it has been over the years. Thank you.